Welcome everybody to a brand new Fact Planet video. Today we're going to be going through every YouTube channel that has earned the Diamond Play button as of 2017. So the Diamond Play button was announced at VidCon 2015, and at the time that it had been announced there were 35 channels that had achieved 10 million subscribers and therefore achieved the Diamond Play button reward. However, this was a year and a half ago. Since then, the number of people that have achieved 10 million subscribers has doubled. There are now over 70 channels that have achieved the Diamond Play button, and I will be going through all of them, starting with the least subscribed all the way up to the most subscribed. So here we go. Starting off with the least subscribed channel, going up to the most subscribed, we have Canal Conzilla, Avicii Official Vivo, Wiz Khalifa, 5 Incominutos, Prank vs Prank, Dross Rotsank, Roman Atwood, Bethany Motor, Cyprian, Calvin Harris Vivo, Ray William Johnson, Resende Evil, Popular MMOs, Movie Clips Trailers, E1 Guy, II Superwoman II, RCL Beauty 101, The Willy Rex, Roman Atwood Vlogs, College Humor, Zoella, Vsauce, Beyonce Vivo, Nicki Minaj at Vivo, Kanalha, Ed Sheeran, Selena Gomez Vivo, Good Mythical Morning, BuzzFeed Video, Skydoes Minecraft, Trap Nation, Shakira Vivo, Fail Army, Maroon 5 Vivo, Machinima Wherever Tomorrow, Bruno Mars, PTX Official, Porta dos Fundos, The Tonight Show starring Jimmy Fallon, David Guetta, Enchufer TV, Vivo, WatchMojo.com, Adele Vivo, The Diamond Minecart, Epic Rap Battles, WWE, Jacksepticeye, The Fine Bros, Skrillex, Ariana Grande Vivo, T-Series, Dude Perfect, KSI, Spinnin' Records, Markiplier, Jenna Marbles, Windows Noons, Vegeta 777, Yuya, Duega Herman, The Ellen Show, Niga Higa, Vernon Flu, Vanos Gaming, Katy Perry Vivo, Eminem Vivo, Taylor Swift Vivo, One Direction Vivo, Smosh, El Rubio ONG, Rihanna Vivo, YouTube Spotlight, although I'm not sure if they would award themselves the play button, Justin Bieber Vivo, Olusai Herman, and PewDiePie. And those are all of the YouTube channels that have achieved 10 million subscribers as of 2017. Just to clarify, I excluded all hashtags because they do not count as YouTube channels, even though if you search up the most subscribed YouTube channels, hashtag music will be put at number 1 as the most subscribed channel on YouTube. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Fact Planet for future videos like this. I've got other topics that I'm going to be making videos on that will be coming up on the channel in the future, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching, thanks for the support, see you guys later.